Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're watching Meanwhile in Alaska. This is another Doorbell news video. Still changing some things. Around. Back consistently. Back. I have a schedule. You can't see it, but there's a schedule right there of when I record, when I put out. Like, it's a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm ready to get back into being consistent. My goal is still to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I feel like we're on our way a little bit. And let's hop to this video. Oh shit! She took the
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Damn. Yeah. She's on crack. It's either one or two things. She on crack or she's somebody's baby mama. It's one or two.
I know you're home.
Baby mama.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Or somebody's sneaky link. Damn, she came prepared. She gonna take out the camera. Oh, this the bitch trying to stab us. No. Oh yeah, don't mind the room. I'm rearranging some stuff. It's kind of crazy right now. I got like fucking shoes and shit on the floor. Boys are trying to take my camera and break in. Damn, girl, you're struggling. Crazy. Bro, just give up. Just give up. Lady holding head. Is that a fucking cow or moose? Yeah, that's a moose. This is about the head shape. I be knowing my animals and shit. You feel me? I be knowing my animals and shit. My fucking leg itches. Damn, bro. Damn. Well, like, also, you made it obvious. I know you got weapons, so you're going to probably use that as defense, but, like, then close the door? Was anybody home? Hopefully not.
Ma'am, it's saying that my phone is here. It's saying it's here, and I will call the police if I have to. It's saying it's here.
I don't know what to tell you.
I do not know, but I just know my phone is it's an iPhone, so it will tell me exactly my location.
Oh, shit.
It's saying that it's here inside your house.
Well, I
Call
tell
the
you
police,
what,
bro.
I'm gonna get
Don't fall for that shit, bro. Because they be like, oh, you come in.
Just by wandering.
Yeah, no. What the fuck, Santa Claus? What the fuck, Sneaky Link? That's a Sneaky Link. That's a Sneaky Link. She had to escape. And the main joint came home. Mama bearing 2 cubs near Birch and Hoofney. Bro, one thing you don't do, bro, is go out there when the cubs is out there, bro. Because they go immediately. They go crazy about their kids. Crackhead. Definitely a crackhead. How? You had all that space to... Oh, shit. Milwaukee. Bro made a U-turn. Bro just fucking with him. Hey, yo. W driver. Second one within this week? What the hell?
Bree!
Definitely crackhead. You see the stance? You see that stance right there? You see the angle that she on? That is a crackhead angle. This is a crackhead angle. She on crack. See, look, that's a crackhead dance. Yep. That's a crackhead dance. Crackhead. That's what crackheads do. Crackheads do shit like this. Ring their doorbell with their nose, doing crackhead dances. Crackheads. With his tongue? Ew. Ew. Nashville, Tennessee. Yeah, flashlight. bro, late as shit. He delayed, bro. They didn't already code him, and here come this motherfucker over here skipping and shit. You know what's crazy, bro? I would love to live in a place where it's like so secluded like this. I live in a city, so like it's not like this. I want to see dares and shit. Only time I see, damn, what type of fucking GTA heist shit is this? Y'all gonna forget to unhug it. What the fuck? What's in there? It better be worth it. Is that like lawnmowers? Lawnmowers? I mean, they probably are expensive. But still, though, don't they have like they just throwing that shit in there? It's gonna be fucking broken and worthless. What the fuck is that? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is this shit? Okay, there's drills. So is that like a jackhammer or something? Damn, bro, you knocked over the trash and shit. These criminals. Damn, got some more. Is this the same bears from earlier? I look like it.
Yeah. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Also, you
New
should
episode
subscribe
coming
to this
tomorrow.
channel, please.
Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com.
Please.
Thanks for watching.
Come on, bring out that
Doorbell
beat.
News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Bring the beat
Make
out.
sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera.
Bro, this shit a bop, bro. I don't know who made this beat, but that shit is fire. I appreciate you guys for watching again. I'll see you next time in the next video. That is probably going to be the next day after you seen this. If you don't, then I owe you $1 million. If there's not a video posted within 24 hours of this video, I owe you $1 million. But if there is, you owe me a subscribe. Deal? You can't say no. You already pick your swear. You can't go back. You can't go back. I'll see you in the next video.